Hey there! Ever feel like life is just zooming by? Like, wasn't it just January yesterday, and now suddenly it's pumpkin spice season again? And remember when you were a kid, and summer vacation felt like an eternity? Now, it's like you blink, and boom, another year's gone. What's up with that? Well, turns out, your brain is kind of a drama queen when it comes to time. The older we get, the faster time seems to fly. But don't worry, it's not just you, it's science. And today, we're going to hack that system so you can make your life feel richer, longer, and way more meaningful. Let's dive in. So, here's the deal. Your brain is wired to notice new stuff. When you're a kid, everything is new. Your first bike ride, your first crush, your first time eating an entire tub of ice cream. No regrets. But as you grow up, life gets more routine. You're on autopilot and your brain just stops paying attention. That's why time feels like it's on fast forward. But here's the good news. You can slow it down. Yep, you can literally make your life feel longer. How? By tricking your brain into noticing more. Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. Step 1. Break the routine. New every single day. It doesn't have to be big. Try a new coffee shop, take a different route to work, or finally learn how to say hello in 10 different languages. When you introduce novelty, your brain wakes up and starts paying attention again. Hitting the slow motion button on life. Step 2. Be present. I know. Easier said than done, right? But here's a trick. Practice mindfulness in small ways. When you're eating, actually taste your food. When you're walking, notice the sounds around you. It's like giving your brain a little nudge to say, hey, this moment matters. And when you do that, time stretches out. Step 3. Create milestones. Think about it. When you're working towards something, time feels more meaningful. Set small, achievable goals. Maybe it's reading 1 book a month, learning a new skill, or finally organizing that closet. We all have one. When you have something to look forward to, life feels less like a blur and more like an adventure. So, here's your challenge. Today, do one thing differently. Take a new route, try a new food, or just pause for 30 seconds to really notice your surroundings. Trust me, it's like giving your brain a little time-stretching superpower. And if you're feeling fancy, drop a comment below and tell me what new thing you're going to try. Let's make life feel bigger together, because life's too short to let it fly by without making it count. See you in the next one, where we'll keep making big stuff tiny. Until then, go out there and make today feel like a whole week. You've got this.